Hi, today I'm going to show you guys how to change the lock in a glove box latch for a GM vehicle. Lots of times you guys break your latch, then you go to a junkyard or eBay and you get a different latch, but you need the key to remove the lock. So what first thing to do is you want to have it so it looks like the glove box is shut. Push it up here. Second thing you do is there's a little metal piece right here. I don't know if you guys can see. Hold on, let me get a lock. Right here is one like a tumbler thing. So you want to depress that and then install the key. So what I'm going to do is, let me see if I get this bitch over here. This damn thing here. So I'm going to press this down. Press it down. Oh, son of a bitch. You press it down, install the key, turn the lock halfway to like the, and I can just pop the lock out. There you go. And then to install your other lock, simple. Say this is the lock. I just take it out, put the key in. I can put it in here. No, you can't. So you need to push this back down. Here's that little metal piece I'm talking about right here. You see it? Silver one. Push it down. Install the key. As you can see, it stays down. Put it in. Voila. There you have it. Now we have another latch here. This is a newer model from Cadillac. And it's going to basically work the same way. So you have this piece here. As you guys can see that right here, right? That silver piece. Right? Okay, so I'm going to take the key out. Oh, some bitch. I'm going to push that some bitch down. I use a little screwdriver. Push that thing down. Hold on, you guys. Let me see. All right. What the heck? Push that thing down, but you know, I know what you're thinking. I guess I'm not going to push it so much down. Why can't I push it so much down? Oh, there's so much here. So let me push this thing down. You know what? The screwdriver's too fat. I can't. Oh, shit. You know what? You guys are mad at me, so anyways, I can't. But if you have a smaller screwdriver, you can push this thing. Oh, I got that so much down. I put the key in there, and I turn it, and I just pop it out. Voila! There we have it. So you guys enjoy yourself, and we'll be putting more videos on there. If you have any questions, feel free to email us, and we'll talk to you and help you out, walk you through it. And good luck, and thank you for watching.